Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to share with you a quick review on this Coach Alexa clutch. Another item that I found on Poshmark, and I have been really coming across some great deals on Poshmark. Definitely check them out if you haven't done so, but you can really come across some great deals. But I was in the market for a nice clutch, and I saw some of the higher end ones, and I just didn't want to pay that much money for a clutch because I know I won't get that much use out of them. But this one was priced under $100. The previous owner did not have the chain that comes with the bag, so she sold it to me for a really good deal. It does have the D-rings here, so you can add you can add a chain, or you can wear it without a chain. And I probably will primarily just carry it as a clutch. But I do have, the good thing about Coach, you know, they have all of these extra chains. I believe this is my dinky, so I will probably add this on. Maybe it just depends. But I really like the print of this, the croc. I guess this is like mock croc. I really like that. I love the Turnlocks on the bags. This bag is very generous. It has a nice back pocket here, so you can place your phone back here if you choose. The bag itself measures, let's see, I have my measuring tape here. It is from end to end. It looks like it is about 10.5 inches in length, and in height, it is 6 inches in height, and it looks like the width is about 2 inches. So I think that is pretty generous for an evening bag. The inside is that microfiber lining there. And I have just a phone case, just to kind of show you how your phone should be able to fit in here. I do have one of the larger phones, the S22 Ultra, and it fits nicely back there. Of course, you can just wear it on the inside here. And there is also a slip pocket back here. If you want to place maybe your card case there, you can do so. But I just think this is a really nice handbag. The shape of the bag kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Favorite, the older bag, because of how the ends here stick out. I do remember that being part of the shape of that bag, and it reminded me of that. And if you were to add the chain to the D-ring, I think that does step it up a notch to make it even more dressier than what it is. So that's there. I did notice that online you also, there were several options for this bag. In addition to this croc style leather, they had the smooth black leather. Also saw a metallic color and a blue color. And I also noticed that this is the larger size. They also have one that was a tad bit smaller. I think it's about 8.5, but it was called the Coach Alexa Small. And I saw that in a few color choices as well. So, but overall, I'm very happy with this bag. And I'm looking forward to wearing it. But just wanted to give you guys a quick review on the Coach Alexa clutch. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys. Take care and be blessed.